Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm out here in Punta Gorda, Florida. Don't know where that is? It's north of Fort Myers, just a little piece. I'd say 20 miles or so. But we're here at as you can see, a woodworking show, basically. But we're going to go inside and take a look at some of these very, very interesting items that you can make out of wood. Maybe you get some ideas for your own house, or maybe you'll pick up a new hobby like this one here. And there are shows like this going on all over the country. But right now, we're going to go inside and take a look around, because you've just entered the Coolest Life Wood Edition. You to see this beautiful facility that they have here. This is a nice convention center that they have here in Punta Gorda. It's actually right between two one-way streets. Two one-way streets are the main drag that come through town. There's that busy little one right down there that goes that way, which is across the bridge, and there's this one that goes that way. But it's the main drag. There's only two bridges that go across the water. It takes you into Port Charlotte. That's a really nice building. And we're inside. Well, inside here, there's not only are there competitions, kind of what you'd see is some really nice 4-H areas. Actually, I was in Columbus. I was in Perry, Georgia, where they have their state fair, and some of their 4-H people have some really nice things, but not quite this detailed as they have here. And it's everything from the ones you would do inside of a piece of wood, things that you would put on top of a piece of wood, some things that are put together, some things are made out of just a single piece of wood, and it's everything from a large turtle like this one. It doesn't look like it's made of wood, but it is 100%. Let me show you this one here, that one best in show. Interesting to say the least. And this is a little smaller. It's all wood again. And there's some that you see that are actually, they kind of use the piece of wood of how it was originally, and then make things like bowls out of it. There's also some vendors in the back that got not only tools that you could purchase if you wanted to, pieces of wood, because you really need some soft wood, but some wood that's, once you chip into it, it's not going to break apart. There's some here. These are etchings. And then here's basically the bird section. Actually, it's more than just birds, but you see they're kind of like maybe initially they were making decoys out of them. Really nice. And of course, you had different inserts like the lacquer. On the other side, there's some tables, and I'll see if I can find something else that may be interesting to you. And this one here looks like it's a couple of cactuses, but nope, it's all wood, all of it. Amazing. Some people get real good at making feathers. You know, some of them are actually put together from piece by piece, and others are like a solid piece of wood. This one here was actually piece by piece. I say piece by piece. The whole top piece is one piece, and then you've got from the bird down, of course, is a separate piece. A lot of unusual items here, though, like that thing are pretty common that you would see was the walking sticks.
That's exactly
some more just etching, commemorative type of things, and some have got a little more detail to them, which is really nice. Just set. A couple of items here, some of your bowls. I just love these bowls. I just think they're cool. I always want to eat cereal out of them, then I wonder what I'm going to use to clean them that's going to not eat into the wood. That's pretty nice. Top of a soccer ball. Now check out this one. It's like an aquarium inside of it or something. Even got a light shining down on top. And there's definitely pieces together. It's really cool finished products though they have here. As I mentioned, there's lots of vendors. We've got books on woodworking and all kinds of tools and magazines, and you see some pieces like these. Nice cutting board. Some more bowls. Why don't you take a look at some of these? Huh. Looks like a real shell, doesn't it? How then you paint them? Oh, nice. Some more tools of the trade. Looks like some lathing tools. Lots of different categories, and you see these are more toward a particular style. Lots of bowls. Some people get into doing trays and stuff, and they start doing a whole bunch of them. This, of course, is that electrical etching that they can do with that. Some more down that way. And there's some more of the balls. Once people start doing some of these, they start getting to a pattern that they enjoy, or different kinds of woodworking that they like to do. Like these are not whittlers here whatsoever. Nowhere close to it. These aren't really lathes either. Look at that. You would think it's a piece of wood though. It's about 14, 16 inches tall. It's huge. Probably relatively heavy, but I'm not picking it up. This, of course, is glass. And or some of this might be that lacquer that they'll pour in a mold. Put pieces of wood inside of it. They do demonstrations here also. As you can see this one here, you probably did a demonstration. It's actually a breakout rooms that they do demonstrations as far as some ideas on how to shape wood and do some different things and use lacquer, lots of different, although they have a 2-day session, it's not just a big open room like this. There's actually break-off rooms where they actually do some teaching. There's an ad for a new one. Another one in Arcadia, Florida. Come up on February 4th. And these are pretty neat. These are model sets. So you actually put these together like a puzzle.
It's going to be 8, but you wouldn't believe the stuff that he...
You would not be able to do that.
Yeah, no, I know.
You would not be able to do that.
He would, but
Most people wouldn't be able to do that.
He would definitely.
Wow. I've never seen kits like this.
You got it.
Those are nice laser etching. Definitely three-dimensional here. Nice. You said there are rubber bands and or
It's rubber bands and wooden gears.
and
It's all there
wooden
is.
gears. And then there slides open like that, huh? Wow, that's neat. These come in a kit, you say?
Yep.
All these come in a kit. Nice.
You build them. They're for
Interesting.
teens and up.
Nice.
Anyways,
Oh, they put together more like a puzzle, and it's just nice line.
do good tonight.
They also got some silent auction things here, and also raffle tickets for all kinds of stuff, baskets, and you basically buy. All these are, you put a ticket in there if that's what you want to bid on. Not really bid on, but get a chance for the drawing. So basically, you spend $20, you get 15 tickets, and you can put 3 in one of the buckets, or 2 in one of the buckets, or all 15, whatever you want to do. Got a nice big grill. Saturday at 3. Nice. Well, that was a good time. There's a lot to see in those places. You can really stop at a table and get a full effect of the of people's specialties. That's what I think is kind of neat. And also, they aren't in this beautiful convention center they have here that has paintings like that one. Well, if you get a chance, you're here in Punta Gorda or Punta Gorda. I keep calling it Punta Gorda, but it's actually pronounced Punta Gorda here in Florida, which is not far from Port Charlotte, south of Sarasota, north of Fort Myers. Come on out and explore these beautiful buildings that they have here, especially if they've got any kind of a thing going on like this. But to let you go, be sure to like and subscribe. If you're interested in woodworking, I'll put some links down below. Maybe some woodworking groups you can plug into, and maybe there's a show going on in your local area. Because now I'm going to get back out here living the coolest life.